The dishwasher basket from the dishwasher shit cube. You can tell it's a piece of shit because I don't like it. Piece of shit dishwasher. Barely washed dishes. That was from our old dishwasher that sucked major ass.
Resistant.
You know what? It might be. It might be. Let's find. I think you're wrong. I immediately think that you're wrong. Goo. Oh, look at it. Look at it. Yes, it does. Look at it. Oh. Goo. It's turning into slime.
You don't want this on your dishes, do you? What's going over?
Stay in there.
Hey, don't modify.
Ooh. Oh. Wow.
Liquid dish basket.
Are you tired of your dishes not getting clean? There's got to be a better way.
Does this ever happen to you?
Does this ever happen to you? Oh, fuck, I was doing my dishes and then the dish basket fell in the fire. Aww. And now it's completely unusable and doesn't exist anymore. Whatever will a man do?
Nothing.
Well, this is dishes. Whatever will a woman do?
Hey,
I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. It's a joke. Don't report me to the
oh, that's so
authority.
It's still so slimy. Usually, it's like charring at this phase.
Yeah, that's a lot of heat, lot of fire in there.
There was a lot of fire in it.
The fire had a lot of fire in it.
No, the plastic.
But now the plastic has been turned into fire. And that's a good thing.
It's liquid fire.
Liquid.
Now this is sublimating.
I heard someone walking, but it's just the sound of the Mexican beach
Oh yeah.
in Mexico. That's probably good.